In this video, I'll show you how to install and watch TikTok on your Panasonic Smart TV. Step 1. Check your TV's App Store. Press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to the Apps Market or Google Play Store if your Panasonic TV uses Android TV. Use the search bar to type TikTok. Step 2. Install TikTok if available. If you see TikTok in the search results, select it. Click Install, wait for it to download, then open the app. Log in with your TikTok account and start watching videos. If TikTok is not available, some Panasonic Smart TVs don't support TikTok natively. In that case, option 1. Use a streaming device. Plug in a Fire Stick, Roku, or Android TV box into your TV's HDMI port. Install TikTok from the device's App Store. This gives you full access to the TikTok app on your TV. Option 2. Cast from your phone. Open TikTok on your phone. Tap the cast icon if supported. Choose your Panasonic TV from the list to play TikTok videos on the big screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart TV tutorials.